Okay, now we're going to add our if field here into our document. Then we're going to finish out our document, and then I'm going to show you how to print. We'll skip by a few of the pages here, a few of the little things in there. I still want you to read all of the chapter, but we'll skip over some of it. Okay, so to add an if field, you should have your cursor there right where you left off, after the word be and a space. To add an if condition, go up to, on the Mailings tab, go up to Rules and click on that and select the if then else. Basically we're going to say if a certain thing is a value, insert this text, otherwise insert this other text. What we want to look at is the membership type. The membership type, if it is equal to standard, then we want to put in $75. Otherwise, let's put in $105. This way, if they're on the premium, their membership's going up to $105. If they're on the standard, it's going up to $75. This is another way we can really personalize our letter. Go ahead and hit OK, and it puts a 75 in there, okay? But really, you have an if statement in there. If we were looking at somebody who is a premium person, then it would say 105. Now, the way you can check that is if you hit Alt F9, you can see kind of things get a little crazy there, but you can see your if statement as it is in there. It says right here, it says if this merge field equals this value standard, put in 75, otherwise put in 105. And then just hit Alt F9 to change off of that again. So that's how you put in an if field. I'm going to go ahead now and enter in the rest of the text for this, and then I'll add the closing, but I'm just going to pause it. Okay, I added the rest of that sentence. Now we're just going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. We're going to type in our closing. Let's go ahead and put in here, sincerely. So you just click on it, and then you can type in there. And here's where it puts in the name of the who it's registered to. In the book has you change that to Miss Susie Zhao. You can put your own name in there. You can put whatever you want in there. I'll just go ahead and put my name in there. No, and then you've got the sender title is Fitness Manager, and then the sender company is Total Fitness Health Club. I'm going to pause as I just type in those. Okay, and there's our letter. I'm going to show you one thing here on page Word 341 right after that. Let's go ahead and save what we have now first. Just click on Save up there. You already gave it a name and where you want it to go. Word 341, I showed you how you could see by hitting Alt F9, you could see the field codes there. You can also right-click on a field. My right-click doesn't seem to want to be working right now. But you can right-click on it. I can't apparently, but if you right-click on it, you can select from the menu that pops up. There's a toggle field codes. Select that, and then you can see what the code is there behind it. Oh, there we go. It's coming up a bunch of times. Toggle field codes there. You can see it. And you can just right-click again and take it away. That's another thing you can do. Now I'm just going to show you really quickly. Let's just skip ahead, read through everything else, but let's go to 347. This is how to print a merge document. On the mailing, you want to print from the Mailings tab. This way you can utilize your recipient list that you added to that. You just go to the Finish and Merge and select Print Documents. It's that simple. You can select a specific record. You can select a range of records. You probably want to select all. You hit OK. And then pick out your printer that you want to send, just like you would any other document. Hit OK, and it'll merge them, and it'll print out 5 documents, or 5 letters in this case, all with the different names you specified. So that's how you print. That's it for our letter. In our next lesson, we're going to get into how to create labels and some other things.